Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Epson ET2720 series printer, and now I can show you how to enable quiet mode on this device, how to disable beeps and other sounds. To do it, you just need to scroll left on the home screen and find your quiet mode, click OK, and here you can disable it or enable quiet mode. So as you can see now, quiet mode now quiet mode is disabled because I have enabled the sounds, as you can see. But if you want to disable sounds, you need to open quiet mode and click off, and now as you can see, sounds are disabled. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye.